Hello, I'm happy to share with you amazing tips and ideas about the Philips CoreLine panel. First, savings. It provides up to 65% energy savings when compared with conventional lighting. Its efficacy achieves up to 125 lumen per watt. Philips CoreLine has a lifetime of 100,000 hours, so you can forget about lighting maintenance and replacement for a very long time. Philips CoreLine panel is flicker-free, thanks to its LED driver, ensuring visual comfort. It also provides a unique light uniformity, thanks to the micro-prism plate structure. All this results in better visual comfort and well-being. Dimmable and office-compliant options, including CRI 90, are also available. The multi-lumen feature helps you select the right light level for your project on-site, thanks to different lumen packages in one single luminaire. Easy and fast installation, thanks to the new connector design. Accessories. We've included a wide range of mounting accessories to make your application for plaster ceilings, surface mounting and suspension simpler. The Interact Ready version is also available for CoreLine panel and will allow you to jump into our smart lighting platform called Interact Pro. They set the industry standard with the ENAC mark. I hope you enjoyed this video about Philips CoreLine panel and will use it in your next lighting project.